On a Ghana Funyana, you watch out for Samira Baumia. She's a very dangerous woman. Dangerous woman. I'm telling you this. Samira Baumia, we should watch out for her. She's a very dangerous.
But it's on the running affairs.
Or no, na running MPP affairs. Baumia, there's what you want.
Ebusian for a high Ghana MTVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. At anytime videos of this nature, I'll put it be notified. Ebusian for Betiamboa channel no by donating to the number below. Let's do this together. Ebusian for Ndwana. Me scrolling on Facebook, and I came across a very, very worrying caption. And the caption read, Samira is a very dangerous woman. And me one caption, I'm say, one never reporting at the SMBC. And I quickly checked their page, and I'm say, Sana NDC4 TV station, TV SYZ, and Power FM. Now, the person who made the statement and the reason why I am responding, and he said, the person who made the statement, Oba na etimi kase, ni yonko Oba no, very dangerous, very poisonous. Now, Oba no so I okasa asem no, Oya appointee of John Mahama, His Excellency. Only the current CEO of Free Zones Authority. Ebusian for number one, ukona uko check Free Zones Authority. Say, omujuma omuye no. Ebua on mine na say ebua on mine. Let me disappoint you. Last year, Free Zones Authority omu investi ska beye 90 million Ghana cedis thereabout. Omu beye over. Sorry, last year omu investi ska beye 116 million plus. Munim ska omu di buy 91 million. Eti omu boka. Eti juma ye di ama omu of Free Zone hono no. Ontimi nye juma no. First year CEO we fairly. But some way, somehow, no, she has enough time to come and criticize Samira Baumia. Masante say, sa woman no, on any kono, any government official one, same be kokoso. Mati say, papa no, on sa woman no, so o me trimpenada. Papa no mambo obiadi. Right? But that is not even the most important thing to me. Now, or see the reason Samira is dangerous, and say, and next Samira is running MPP. Or no, say Samira is dangerous, and see, because only running MPP. And I yanko be a businessman, be oti bonsu. Sa same way on, maka once a ma say my brain po, my brain. And the reason I'm my brain and say, I wish, say, yeah, mommy Samira Baumia will start actually suing people for defamation. Because I dine same only ni kunu ni hushi. Me amiti had a voice. Me who court document. Me who court order. Nipa ni dinwo sunu haji abi. Mami be different crowd. Only the assembly court. And I do not even understand how mischievously yadi Samira Baumia din be shame. Now mu starting with the campaign say Samira Baumia a Fulani ni. Me who say despite all those personal attacks, despite all the evil agenda I set against the woman, no, ni kunu san wini and say there mbe pese mu send idin kra. What is the fault? What is the mistake? Is it because she supports the husband? Why? She's not supposed to support the husband. But because she supports the husband, goes out to campaign for the husband, and people want to find something and say about the woman. That is the kind of women people are looking up to as role model. Women that support their husbands. Women that believe in the visions of their husband. So she's a good role model. And I don't know why another woman will have such an issue. Say, a lady is supporting the husband, believing the vision of the husband. I can say NDC for me a tibon kosufwa. Sometimes because of these things, so who you about? And now, yeah, point to see you. Anka, pesa okunu umboa wana, okunu support. Yeah, obe kasa, mujui wansa. Sometimes you can be so filled with hatred for somebody, useless hatred to the sense that you don't even sit down to consider and say ma okika. Now for the okasana you say we yari for. So let's go and listen to the conversation. MPP for so my reply no pa and I hear me there. So let's listen to conversation. Remember, celebrate me and donate to the platform by sending anything to this MTN number. I will see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. Conversations happening. Cheers.
Seramu, most mum peno. Anya fi number bube German that is bia. Seramu, on time baby you know me. Yem pass him. Now, fellas, what number can say? Nurse ni me boyfriend ka o bu easy gini no.
Debut, yeah.
Oh, anya ha.
Debut.
Oh, kumas mi amikrom. Ono nurse ni no why adwuma yentua ne ka. Ena ne girlfriend no a on interview ni easy gini ne ba. Aba be try lighting because of the 2 months. Ontua. Ti lucky. Say na easy gini no ai in the boyfriend no feel no twen branta say hey we be masamia vaza kan light no me guy adwuma 10 months ni ntua ne ka abade ne ka wo be twa me lighting na me my star ka buy de no we be masamia wo de vaza kan light na twemle so wo don sabe kofi a me twogua and this easy gi for no mo enyo munya na ho to mo sa comfort the omu come because abide the omaka and disabide me car. Fellas sensible. I don't know about the car. Oh, betray me lighting.
Debut, na say we pack person no say abide the Kent no to into our car. In there then as we abide the a car there we open according the light bill. No bother.
You what you say? Yeah, enya grow akwan di mirika o say on your osro na okongo twam na chiranko okoyi infect everyone no. So and this is for no so nyamunya motreza okono okasa ntwam amesra okofie udi agura because abide in the car you like lady see mati master me be yaman and the fellas mo bi mra me dasi
if I come more down mo tap so I don't need comment we number no to Mr. Mupi do that for me Friday so I'm trying to pick as many people as I can. Facebook and YouTube I come on maybe 15 minutes now where you know but still let's go on stay and tap on it for me why Mr. Mupi me and guys bo papa baby
me be my Felix ya je so ye chia
but no say 1 second ma'am me who din you are senator they mention the name anyways ya boy on the next okay but choko
Felix chia obia enianu amohie mu wahana Felix iraho
ade
Felix enti say dikana nado ejegu Cocobot account mu a na me nkomode yen za no
yeah foreign account
na nado nkwa na do Ghana
oh brother eba beton yen omudi anza na omu free ho na nado na be from scratch
Nado I think Nado forgot say party na didn't ba power the headquarters kwa yeribi weja 500 million ma se nkurase fo nkwasiafo we mu a ambo brafo ama randiabe oba ye onukro nim onim si na si na si eburo akwa kosfa se sika no edi bia to talkers no mu wi a o matwa ho afra wo na Nado se wo ye kromfo asa abo wuto aka kire wo se wo ye wicked NPP party headquarters kwe ni bi enka sa 500 million ni wo de tamu 300 na wo de breme 1 million wo de breme na ba ko And now you teach my grassroots. NDC, Mahama, and not say and send you see Wisica. Mahama ni NDC so much and send you see Wisica, say bro, who peep, what you to free bro, do you know? Now you're going one way, son, grow. At the NPP, it's young Kwana Pat Ghana, at the young Kwana Ghana. At the ya bani be ni ya sa Ghana fo ye ne wo mu so koko fo ya wo mu henya apai wo mu koko apai ya wo mu so mu suin wo mu ni ase apitro mu suin e de be ade ya anya mo e de be ade ade na NPP yenkwa na Ghana na ye dia mo ma yesu yendibi ni etiti scanning ngum grassroots ya bre ade fellas mama ko sa mama no ise ponko no ye fenish mama no ise a ponko no ayi Maria we see us one we ya bo wate wonim so okopi Samira mo hu ni dressing okopi Samira and so Samira
Copy ni
ai why is a ponko aboa ne nsenyi ne oba abasa obeka se ye ya chechire o she sumo suit mo so de mo ni bre Samira bre sana ba wa mukali ya not me boniti ni 3 o boniti ayi rasta guswa 6 months 1 year no nsani ye na se nyina edidi atudwie ene ho a no yo de kwatra TVs no mu kan Samira omo ba power she bags akese designer bags ene mpabwa akese no mo she eye ni bre ene otan hunu aden ene ba wa mutari ehun se ye na etimi she designer mpabwa ne ekuta designer bags wo mu nyina kopi Samira awoja awoyara de esro bia ne shebre esro bia destiny obia de different who could just say Samira dangerous yes oye ya santoa what akran na ubnembebu aboa wo yo ba papa kono kota wukun achi kono kota wukun achi enkola na asante achimo wo mu di edua wo twe ena wukun eja wo bone efe obi hwen a wodu we di besi Samira wa kono ko hwe be ma fofre Mahama wo di den no de ma wo
o man appointment
ai Ghana free zone dey na anya wo ha connections ngwa no mo sasa wo honom eyi bi pepe bia na oye wo ho Felix chemi investor papa ben NDC for buy chemi investor papa ben ena aba Ghana apart from China ni India company saying
report back in March next month 2025 beba, and it is a big time loss. They spent 116 they spent $116 million just to gain 97 million.
Yo
it's coming.
Aboka me Felix me anyame wa na wo obi a gold kro ton gold boka di
telling yeah the Toyota yeah the Hyundai yeah the VW yeah the Fiat yeah the Kantaka kan ho yeah the Sinotro kan ho ya mboka free zones are mboka na do time no yeah the sanyama we ni na buy free zones ya mboka
na wasa ko hihye sa the glass is like solar panel Kwasini ba
$160 million just to gain 97 million. Hey, NDC. Oh.
Kwasini ba wasa the space na I say solar panel no SC na ni krasifu a money mie ye monim dressing Samira kire mo dressing na money brain a mummra mo ho wase na munsua ne yie apprentice ni madam mummra mo wase na munsua ne yie kwasiafo Samira me show Samira phantom agumporo di frakura mpa the ho ofe esa woni onyam se mu nyina
of course
NDC man eguo ni nyinara eti ahwoja na aka omo aboa why wa basa ketiketi se mi diabetes ayo aden Samira onyam dien Chimi for na mami afani say America America akwa fa velvet red edia kana no akogina one on one AU summit say daytime to your program say Valentine's Day nkrasifo mwa ari mojimi sa hey Mary Abusi fa wo kwase akwate we fu egu twaso Uku so bedia aje wo pie wo funu koso ansa
obe ne edije
wo bia ya buafu Samira na buafu na motan no Samira aden wo papa bi
papa on all standard isi so eboso Samira baby a we did
ya fu akwa wa hu se ne ya wo pane ya wate chimi no ana mu enkrase fo ni chimi samsa wo ya kan be wodu wanu besi Samira fa wanu besi Samira ye babu boss kete kwa sia mpani mame aboa waye kotu se ohia ni atopa bububra be aboa wate
ya pon why obi anko fie ya pon so
jealousy kwa yesu moja ne be kamanim okay Ade, wasia kurasini. Ushesha pink blazer, ni pink suit, ni pink trousers, ni pink head geos and scarf. Wasia for musha dress mufi.
Wa check a baby ese no ha. Rap na kopon pananti wait to me this.
So ya bribo. So ya maami o. So ya girl who ni bobre.
They say no
why.
Is it why?
What's Samira Samira so? Wo jimi fo. Copy. Mo copy so mutimi copy ni ye. Grandma je, e go copy. Na tade ti say no ogia baking shop o se bakery shop. O go copy Samira combination ni bi. Ohun ya so mo copy me apron de ama no.
E bi e se na as a peptodismal.
Ai.
Ghana pa mo pa in fact we are allowing some things pa.
Yeah, mo fa filter anto mo pictures so yent mi post no. Samira mo fere no hu. Pone e de be no de ayemo. E de ba de. Mo yam ko hye Brazil no mo no fu gina so champion de say yi za kwasi for Brazil na o mo bo no. On sa Brazil na no fu ni gina jemu champion. Wo tu mama mi o gina mo no fu ati egu. Wo ko hye Brazil gina ho say yi. Enu bi na hye hwe o shatade bi o me hwe no. Mimi shana me describe it you.
Me shana pa na we.
Ne tu afoma ko shani twam se wasate hey mama yi se ampo transa bi shana. Asia krasini.
Na pa tem. Hey radi nya ko Ghana pa ya.
Krasini, so transa bi shana. So mo ko transa bi shana.
Na me the hairstyle bi a wa ye wa ha pa fe no we ti no ho ba ko e we wi ase ni na.
Ako she any space bi shana. Her space because the solar panels dey go e bui down so.
There be picture we there.
Asem na bentia wate. Asem na bentia. Na nkanye Ghana enkurasefo na sis bi ne nkwasiafo we mu na Samira be pie mu a. Ka Samira konyo president o baby. Mo Samira when this year konyo president konyo mo flag bearer. Ka mo be ni saint. Mo be koloni Samira forever. Kwasiafo mo jimi no wo de bubu pabra e be twitwa srade na egu twa so mo hu say yes e twitwa
me da say it is possible no me da say why now